Hello, all. This week, the focus is on inferential statistics. When we looked at descriptive statistics, we were looking at ways to understand the sample at hand. We weren't trying to make any conclusions based on the sample, not trying to make any inferences to a larger population. But with inferential statistics, that is precisely what we're trying to do. What we're trying to do is extend beyond the data that we have and draw conclusions and make determinations, and to the degree possible, externalize those findings more broadly. As you can well imagine, there's a lot to this, and this week's module will give you some insight into some of the basics of the procedures that we use and how we make the determinations of statistical significance. Making a determination of statistical significance is not itself without some controversy. It is famously employed around finding a particular test value and its associated probability of occurrence, called the p-value, that is customarily set at a value of 0.05 or 0.01. And the controversy surrounds making a determination whether or not something is actually significant based on one data point. So we do go through that. I have posted readings this week that I do encourage you to actually read. I would say don't worry too hard about the degrees of freedom. I do explain that as we go through in the videos. But for those of you who would like a deeper dive, that's available for you. But I do want everyone to read the articles on trending toward significance and the moving beyond 0.05. The one thing I do want to say up front about trending toward significance, beware that in many articles, researchers do use that phrase, and it can be misleading. It can lead readers to think that significance has actually been found when it hasn't. So the usual rules apply. If you have any questions about what you're listening to, reading, any questions about the homework, please call me, text me, email me. Let's talk about it. A lot of the material this week, I'm not going to say it's so much difficult as it is just kind of generally in some ways esoteric. But you'll also find where the scientific method kicks in, and we have procedures that we employ, even with the most arcane of statistical techniques. So, good luck this week. You know I always enjoy hearing from you. Take care. Bye.